We are pleased to show you the 2010 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, driver airbag, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, passenger airbag, power brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.